Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might seem simple at first glance, but holds the potential to transform your life in remarkable ways. Push-ups. Yes, that classic exercise you might remember from gym class can do so much more than just build muscle. It's a gateway to improved physical and mental health, and we're here to explore how. Let's start with the physical benefits. Push-ups are a compound exercise, meaning they engage multiple muscle groups at once. They work your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, making them an efficient way to build strength and endurance. But the benefits don't stop there. Regularly incorporating push-ups into your routine can enhance your cardiovascular health, improve your posture, and even boost your metabolism. Imagine feeling stronger and more energetic every day. This is the power of push-ups. Now, let's talk about the mental health aspect. Exercise, in general, is known to release endorphins, those feel-good hormones that can elevate your mood and reduce stress. Push-ups, in particular, can instill a sense of accomplishment and discipline. As you progress, you'll notice improvements in your strength and stamina, which can lead to increased confidence and a more positive outlook on life. So why should you care about this simple exercise? Because it's not just about physical fitness, it's about building resilience and a mindset that can tackle challenges head-on. The transformative power of push-ups lies in their ability to inspire you to push beyond your limits, both in the gym and in life. Join us as we explore the incredible journey of how a few push-ups a day can lead to a healthier, happier you. Get ready to be motivated and inspired. Incorporating push-ups into your fitness routine can yield a multitude of physical advantages that go beyond just building muscle. One of the most significant benefits is the way push-ups engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. When you perform a push-up, you're not just working your chest, you're also targeting your triceps, shoulders, and core. This compound movement helps to develop upper body strength and stability, making it an efficient exercise for anyone looking to enhance their overall fitness. As you continue to include push-ups in your workouts, you'll notice improvements in your endurance. This exercise requires both strength and stamina, and over time, your body adapts to the demands placed on it. You'll find that you can perform more repetitions and maintain better form, which translates to increased performance in other physical activities. Whether you're lifting weights, running, or participating in sports, the endurance gained from push-ups can significantly enhance your overall fitness level. Another crucial benefit of regular push-ups is their positive impact on posture. In our modern world, many of us spend hours hunched over screens, leading to poor posture and discomfort. Push-ups help strengthen the muscles in your upper body and core, which are essential for maintaining proper alignment. By developing these muscles, you can counteract the effects of prolonged sitting and reduce the risk of developing back pain or other posture-related issues. Moreover, strengthening your muscles through push-ups can also lower your risk of injury. A strong upper body and core provide better support for your joints, making you less susceptible to strains and sprains during other physical activities. By incorporating push-ups into your routine, you're not just building muscle, you're also creating a solid foundation for a healthier, more active lifestyle. So get ready to reap the physical benefits of this simple yet powerful exercise. When it comes to mental well-being, the benefits of physical activity, such as push-ups, are often overlooked. Engaging in regular exercise is a powerful way to enhance your mood, and push-ups are a fantastic starting point. When you perform push-ups, your body releases endorphins, often referred to as the feel-good hormones. These natural chemicals can create a sense of euphoria, helping to alleviate feelings of stress, anxiety, and even depression. Just a few minutes of push-ups can elevate your mood and set a positive tone for the rest of your day. In addition to the endorphin boost, push-ups offer significant stress relief benefits. Exercise is known to be an effective way to manage stress, and push-ups are no exception. When you focus on your form and the rhythm of your movements, you can momentarily escape from the pressures of daily life. This physical outlet allows you to channel your energy into something productive, helping to clear your mind and reduce tension. The repetitive nature of push-ups can also serve as a form of meditation, allowing you to find a sense of calm amidst the chaos. Moreover, mastering push-ups can lead to a profound sense of accomplishment and increased confidence. As you progress from struggling to complete a few repetitions to effortlessly performing multiple sets, you'll experience a boost in self-esteem. This newfound confidence can spill over into other areas of your life, encouraging you to tackle challenges with a more positive mindset. The journey of improving your push-up performance teaches you resilience and discipline, reinforcing the idea that hard work pays off. Incorporating push-ups into your routine not only strengthens your body but also nurtures your mental health. With every push-up, you're investing in a happier, more confident version of yourself. So let's embrace the mental health boost that comes with this simple yet impactful exercise. In the journey toward fitness, discipline and consistency are key components that can significantly impact your success. Incorporating push-ups into your workout routine is an excellent way to foster these qualities. Setting and achieving fitness goals through push-ups not only provides a clear target but also creates a sense of purpose in your exercise regimen. Whether your goal is to perform a certain number of push-ups in a row or to increase your overall strength, having specific objectives helps you stay focused and motivated. As you commit to a regular push-up routine, you'll find that it instills a sense of dedication. Consistency is crucial in any fitness journey, and push-ups are a versatile exercise that can be done almost anywhere, making it easier to stick to your plan. By setting aside time each day or week to practice push-ups, you develop a habit that reinforces your commitment to your health and fitness. This routine not only builds physical strength, but also cultivates mental toughness as you learn to push through challenges and stay accountable to yourself. The long-term benefits of maintaining consistency in your exercise routine are profound. Regularly performing push-ups can lead to improved muscle tone, increased endurance, and enhanced overall fitness. But the advantages extend beyond the physical. Consistent exercise has been linked to better mental health, improved mood, and reduced stress levels. As you continue to show up for your workouts, you'll notice that your discipline translates into other areas of your life, fostering a mindset of perseverance and resilience. Doing push-ups is more than just a physical exercise. It's a powerful tool for building discipline and consistency. By setting achievable goals and committing to a regular routine, you're not only enhancing your physical health, but also nurturing a mindset that can lead to lasting success in all aspects of your life. So let's embrace the journey of discipline and consistency through the simple yet effective practice of push-ups. When we think about fitness, we often focus on the physical benefits, but there's a powerful social aspect that comes with exercises like push-ups. Engaging in push-up routines can create opportunities for social interaction and community building, enriching your fitness journey in unexpected ways. One of the best ways to experience this is by joining fitness groups or classes that focus on push-ups and other bodyweight exercises. These environments foster camaraderie as participants encourage one another and share tips on improving form and technique. Being part of a group not only makes workouts more enjoyable, but also helps you stay accountable to your fitness goals. Shared fitness goals can significantly strengthen friendships and support networks. When you and your workout buddies commit to mastering push-ups together, you create a bond that goes beyond just exercise. Celebrating each other's progress, whether it's achieving a personal best or completing a challenging workout, fosters a sense of belonging and mutual support. These shared experiences can lead to lasting friendships as you motivate each other to push through challenges and celebrate successes together. In today's digital age, online communities and challenges have also emerged as fantastic platforms for promoting push-up participation. Social media groups and fitness apps often host push-up challenges that encourage individuals to join in, share their progress, and connect with others. These virtual spaces allow you to engage with a broader community, exchanging tips, motivation, and encouragement with people from all walks of life. Whether you're participating in a 30-day push-up challenge or simply sharing your achievements online, these interactions can enhance your sense of community and keep you motivated. If you're feeling extra generous and want to support our channel, consider sending a super thanks by clicking on button right below this video or the three dots. It looks like a heart within a dollar sign. By clicking on it, you can choose to make a small contribution to our channel. Your contribution helps us to keep bringing you valuable content and fuels our passion for creating. We're grateful for your support and can't wait to see your super thanks messages. In conclusion, push-ups are not just a solitary exercise. They can be a gateway to building social connections and fostering a supportive community. By joining fitness groups, sharing goals, and participating in online challenges, you can enhance your fitness journey while creating meaningful relationships that last a lifetime. So let's embrace the power of push-ups to connect with others and build a vibrant fitness community. As we wrap up our discussion on the transformative power of push-ups, let's take a moment to recap the key points we covered. First and foremost, push-ups offer incredible physical benefits. They strengthen multiple muscle groups, improve endurance, and enhance overall fitness. By incorporating push-ups into your routine, you're not only building a stronger body, but also promoting better posture and reducing the risk of injury. On the mental health front, push-ups are equally impactful. Endorphins released during exercise can elevate your mood and help alleviate stress. Additionally, mastering push-ups fosters a sense of accomplishment and boosts your confidence, empowering you to tackle challenges both in and out of the gym. We also explored the social connections that can arise from doing push-ups. Joining fitness groups or classes creates opportunities for camaraderie and support, while shared fitness goals can strengthen friendships. Furthermore, online communities and challenges provide a platform for motivation and engagement, allowing you to connect with others who share your passion for fitness. Now, if you're looking to make meaningful life changes, starting a push-up routine is a fantastic first step. It's a simple yet effective exercise that can lead to significant improvements in your physical and mental well-being. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, or in this case, a single push-up. We hope you found this video inspiring and informative. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel for more fitness tips and motivation. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who might benefit from the power of push-ups. Together, we can build a healthier, happier community. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.